G'day there everyone, Uncle Jojo, great to see you all. So today we're finishing our site cut. What that means is we're cutting all of our site to a certain level and size so that we can prepare it for a slab. What you're going to see in the next 5 minutes is me clearing this. It'll be in reverse and it's taken quite a while, believe it or not, but we used to have to do this by hand. And if anybody knows my father and my brothers, this is actually what we spent most of our weekends doing, was digging in the backyard or digging on site and clearing it all up, shoring it all up and getting it ready. Thank the gods for modern technology. We've even got diggers now that you can pre-program and will come to your site and actually, without having a driver in it, all computer done, clear the site for you. I'm not sure if I like that much because I like the skills to pay the bills more than anything else, and you can seriously see how skillful I am on this babe. Not half as skillful as some. We're up to clearing the site, doing the site cut, and we've gotten rid of all of the soil here. We've removed, we calculated at about 85 cubic meters of soil. We ended up removing 130 just on the site cut. That's not including the slab cut in or the beam cut in for the slabs. I've talked about getting bins for certain materials, certain soils, all of that kind of jazz. This is all clean fill, so this will all go into clean fill. I have made a separate pile over in the corner there, which you can see over there. That is all rubble and mixed. Any other rubble and mix that we've got, we'll also pile that up. I've also got some piles out the front, which are metal, timber, and anything else. So all of our rubbish has been separated. So once we've finished our site cut, then what we'll do is we'll peg out our lines again. Before we even started our job, what we did is we got a land surveyor to come out, and the land surveyor gave us datum points for where our boundary walls are and all that jazz. So it's super important that when you start a build, especially if you're building on boundaries, that you get a site surveyor, land surveyor out onto site, and they will give you some datum points so you can take all of your points or positions of boundary walls as specified from a land surveyor. And then what they'll do is they'll give you a plan, something like dun, 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 this. And what it does is it pinpoints all of your datum points, your boundary lines, even the height above sea level for your slab finish, all of that kind of jazz. Then you've got everything in writing, you know exactly where everything is going to go, and you can get it on with absolute spot on perfection. That was French, perfection. So next what we'll do, so we'll get rid of all of this soil, string out all of our lines, find all of our points of reference, and then our excavator will come in and they'll start excavating for our beamwork, our concrete slab beamwork. Once the concrete slab beamwork's done, then we'll move on to doing our formwork. Once our formwork's done, then we'll start putting all of our bits and pieces in for our slab, including our hydronic heating and cooling and all that jazz. Again, I could actually start a song out of that. Thanks for watching. Any questions or queries, flick them over and I'll get to them for you as quickly as I can when I can.